Charge rolls on. I'm Maria LaRosa.
And I'm Alex Wallace, filling in for Paul Goodlow this morning. Now, flooding, that has been the story this morning in Texas, where numerous flood warnings. We're still dealing with some of that.
And we have videoing from Calaveras, Texas from earlier this morning. This is just southeast of San Antonio. The city got slammed with more than 4 inches of rain, and that was over a 6-hour period of time. And you can see the result, Alex. And what you can't see is where the road ends or begins there on the side. Amazing.
Yeah, absolutely, indeed. But I really like the fact that we don't see cars going through that water. We see these pictures over and over and over, cars going through the water, and it ends in a bad situation. There, they did the right thing. They stayed away from it. All right, so here's what's going on right now. The flash flood watches in effect from Laredo, San Antonio, up towards Austin as well. And you can see why. We've seen quite a bit of rain in some of these spots. This is over the last 12 hours, estimated by the radar. We've got some areas here around San Antonio, 3+ inches. You head farther south, closer to the Rio Grande, over 8 inches of rain here over the last 12 hours. So that kind of rain in that time period can lead to those problems, and that's what we're seeing. Here's what's going on right now, and you can see things have settled down in San Antonio in terms of the heavier rains. That's some good news, but still some showers off towards the south. And we still do have that flash flood warning that is in place here for us, Zavala County here, until 12:15 local time. That includes Batesville, still dealing with some heavy rain. We've seen that area shrink a bit, so maybe some weakening, which would be some good news, but still some rain happening there. So turn around, don't drown. Head over farther south, still some rain here around Laredo. You head up 35, you'll be running into some lighter rains, but nonetheless some showers. And in and around Houston, not too bad around the downtown area. There is a shower off towards your south and west. Heavier rains, though, off to the north, basically now at this point east of Huntsville and Conroe. But if you're working up 45, you'll have to contend with some decent downpours. Here's the forecast for today. More scattered showers and storms there across South Texas into Louisiana. I know we don't want to see any more of that rain, but unfortunately the forecast holding steady with more of that even as we get into tomorrow all along the Gulf coastal states. As we get into Tuesday, still hugging the coast, we'll be dealing with that risk for some rain showers and storms. Looks like Tuesday south of Atlanta, the best shot at dealing with some of that rain. So it'll start to add up, particularly here into Texas. Most areas up to an inch, but when you get those downpours hanging on longest, you could see some higher amounts. Maria?
And we still have flood warnings in Louisiana today as the state recovers from massive flooding. We've been in Louisiana for more than a week, bringing you coverage of the response. Justin Michaels is there live in Sorrento, Louisiana, with the people behind the flooding and everything they've been going through this week, and another tough day ahead, Justin.
That's exactly right. Cleanup, Maria. That's the #1 word today here in Sorrento. You can see these cars coming through the floodwater. This water has been deemed safe enough. You can see police officers down there to be able to drive through, and every vehicle that seems to come and go. In fact, Matt, if we could show around here the other side, this truck has come through a few times. You can see the trailer on this truck is now empty, and he has been taking load after load after load out of this area from homes and businesses and other parts of Sorrento. So a very difficult situation for a lot of people. Let me give you some perspective on where the water level has gone since just yesterday and when this thing started 1 week ago. Now let's take a look at the Sorrento lumber sign. You can see Sorrento lumber, and here in this part of Louisiana, at the height of this, when the water level hit its highest point, it was right between the Sorrento and lumber. It's come down that far, but then looking just behind it, take a look at that house. That house certainly still is surrounded by water at this point, and it's hard to say if anybody has gotten back to that house yet. Some people are getting to their homes, but still a very difficult go here. Just amazing, Maria, that here we are a week out from when this all began, and this part of Sorrento and many other parts of Sorrento and Louisiana still have this much water. There's a long road ahead of these folks as they try to dry out and clean up. Back to you.
Absolutely. Justin Michaels in Sorrento, Louisiana for us. It's good to see at least a little bit of that sunshine out there, giving them a